The first program. Programmers have a tradition called Hello World. The tradition is to write a program that does only one thing: display the words Hello World. In Python, it looks like this: print, parentheses, quote, hello world, another quote, and then close parenthesis. This is a print statement, even though I won't be printing anything on paper today. The result is displayed on the screen, hello world. Notice that the quotes don't get displayed. They exist to tell Python where the text to be displayed begins and ends. Let's try this in Python Anywhere. I encourage you to follow along. So at our interpreter, we simply type print, quote, hello, comma, world, exclamation point, end quote, end parenthesis, hit return, and it prints hello world. Very good. One side note, the parentheses we saw indicate that print is a function. We'll get into functions in a later video. The source for this material is the book Think Python by Downey, and I'll have a link in the description.